Naka-resume pa ba ako?
Madam Chair,
The Honorable De Lima is recognized.
before the questioning of the Honorable Terry Ridon, this representation wishes to make a disclosure.
You may proceed, Honorable De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I wish to inform this committee that sometime in November 2025, I received a letter dated November 17, 2025, a handwritten letter from the resource person, Ramil Madriaga. Nandito po yan. November 17, 2025, handwritten letter addressed to me and sent by Ramil Madriaga. This was coursed through his counsel, Attorney Raimundo Palad. Now, when I received this, because the letter here says about his being unjustly accused and detained, and said that it is because he helped a group of farmers in Mariveles. May tinulungan daw po siyang grupo ng mga farmers ng Mariveles na mga biktima ng land grabbing. At tinuturo po niya si former spokesperson Harry Roque na nasa likod nito. At sabi niya, kahit yung una niyang kaso ng kidnapping, kasi dati na po siyang kinasuhan in 1997 ng kidnapping, ay na-convict siya sa trial court pero na-acquit siya sa Supreme Court on appeal or on review. So humihingi po siya ng tulong sa akin dito sa sulat na ito, which is handwritten. Sinabi rin po sa akin ni Attorney Palad na nung time na yon, I think it was later part of November or a few days after November 17. I don't exactly remember the time or the exact day. Ay meron daw pong gagawin o ginagawa na sworn affidavit si Mr. Madriaga tungkol sa mga nalalaman niya tungkol kay VP Sara and also sa pamilya ng Duterte. Of course, I was curious, but I told Attorney Palad na gusto ko na munang makita yung sworn affidavit na yan tungkol sa sinasabing marami siyang alam tungkol sa kay VP Sara at ng pamilya Duterte. So true enough, I received this, an affidavit, a copy of the affidavit. And I did realize that this affidavit which I received then is also an original copy. I just realized it a few days ago when I was reviewing this. I was given pala, binigyan ho pala ako ng original copy ng affidavit. This was executed November 29, 2025, the contents of which are exactly the same as those attached as Annex A ng Sabalia et al. And Cabrera complaint. And then, lumabas na rin po ito sa social media after November 27. So naging lalo po akong curious and interested. So I decided to go and see him. And it happened in December 8, 2025, duly recorded in the BJMP facility. So I talked to him. He was accompanied then, or the lawyer, Attorney Palad, was also there. Ang pakay ko po ay para lang alamin yung laman ng kanyang affidavit. Ang pakay ko was to clarify. Ang pakay ko nga parang naging devil's advocate po ako noon. I was asking probing and searching questions para matest yung kanyang credibility. Now, wala po akong dinagdag sa affidavit na to. Wala po akong binago sa affidavit na to. Wala po akong dinikta kay Mr. Madriaga tungkol sa affidavit na to. Ang ginawa ko lang po, nung December 8, tandang-tanda ko po kasi holiday po yan, Immaculate Conception. For 2 hours, I was there at the BJMP facility. As I said, duly recorded, merong CCTV. So that's all that I did. And that was the singular visit that I made to Mr. Madriaga. Hindi na po nasundan yan. So that was the first and last visit that I made to Mr. Madriaga on account of this affidavit. So, Madam Chair, we can probably ask Mr. Madriaga confirmation of what I said Yung tungkol nga po ng pagpadala niya ng handwritten letter, tsaka subsequently pagdala niya ng affidavit, copy ng affidavit sa akin through his counsel, at yung pagbisita ko sa kanya one time in December 8, 2025.
Is it your intention, Honorable De Lima, to submit the personal letter of Ramil Madriaga to you to this committee to form part of the records of this proceeding as well?
Yes, Madam Chair, only that I can only give to the committee or submit to the committee photocopies of this. Photocopy of the handwritten letter,
Yes.
because this is the original, a 4-page letter.
So long as you confirm that the photocopy is an exact and faithful reproduction of the original.
Yes, yes, Madam
We
Chair.
take note of that
Thank you.
confirmation.
This is exactly the letter I received
So may
from
we
Mr.
confirm
Madriaga.
from Ramil Madriaga, just to conclude the disclosure of Honorable De Lima, having sent that letter and the original affidavit to Congresswoman De Lima, maaari ho ba namin kumpirmahin sa inyo ang inyong pagkapagpadala ng sulat at original na affidavit kay Honorable De Lima? Mr. Madriaga?
Magandang tanghali po, Madam Chair, sa lahat. Opo, Madam Chair, kino-confirm ko po.
Thank you. Thank you. With that, we direct the committee secretary to receive the copy of the personal letter of Ramil Madriaga to Congresswoman De Lima to form part of the records of the proceeding in this case. We further direct the COMSEC to provide copy of the same to all the members of the Justice Committee, including the ex officio, including our respondent.